In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your PACE-XL battery, your OML Link foot switch battery, show you how to pair the two devices so that they can communicate, and then how to put the OML Link into your shoe. So first, I'll put the battery into the PACE-XL, and as you're aware, it uses rechargeable batteries, and it has a rechargeable station that you can charge these batteries so you can use them over and over. So I place my battery in the PACE-XL like so. Then I have my coin battery, and the coin battery, this is an Energizer CR2430. I encourage you to have a few extra of these laying around the clinic or in your home. In the foot switch, these will last 3 to 6 months depending on usage, and then you need to replace it out. But you can buy these inexpensively at most battery supply stores or on Amazon or something like that. And you'll notice when I put it in, you'll see a blue light that shows it's a functional battery. And then I'm going to be careful to place my battery door in place so that it's in place effectively. All right. Next, I'm going to turn on my PACE-XL. To turn on the PACE-XL, I'm just going to press the intensity knob once. I'm going to press it down, and you see it's the beginning menu of the PACE-XL, and it says the battery is good. All right. Now, the trick is what's called the 3-button trick. The 3-button trick will put this into setup mode. I'm going to press all 3 buttons at the same time. And when you do that, you get to new setup. Now, from new setup, I'm going to scroll, and I scroll by turning the knob. It's fine-tune settings, options menu, exercise settings, etc. I'm going to go back to options menu. I'm going to press down, and then I'm going to scroll again until I see wireless options. There's wireless options. So now I'm going to press down, and it's going to say join foot switch. I'm going to press down again. It's going to say spare or replace. You want to replace. So I'm going to scroll until the indication marker is next to replace. Now you're going to press and hold the wireless communication icon until you'll see it start to blink blue. When it does that, you press down on the PACE-XL, and it will begin to find the OML Link, and at the end it says foot switch joined. So now these are paired and can communicate with each other, and I can click exit. Okay. The next step is placing your actual force sensor, which is part of the foot switch, into the communication control unit, and you do so just like so. It doesn't matter which one you put it in. This is designed so you can actually have 2 force sensors in the same control sensor, but typically we only use one. All right, so now we place it in just like so, and then we take the control unit here and we place it into the clip. So it clicks in just like so. So the curved end goes at the top, and you press it until it clicks. All right, so now it's secure. And then in the shoe, if you want, you can use the insole, and you can cut the insole to size. And you can also actually, cut out an area here if you want, or just put the foot sensor underneath. I'm not going to use the insole for this demonstration. I just want to show you that is available. When you place this into the shoe, I typically place the clip on the inside of the shoe so that, if you place it on the outside, it could catch on some furniture or something like that. So I typically place it on the inside of the shoe. And then I put the force sensor just about like that underneath the heel. And if you don't have good contact, you can move it further down in the shoe if you want, but typically we keep the force sensor right underneath the heel like so. And that's it. You are ready to go at that point. Thank you.